Hey everyone, welcome back to the Redcat University. We are going to work on the Gen 8 Scout 2. This time we're installing the aluminum lower link mount set for the axles. These aluminum link mounts are much stronger than the stock units and they look great too. They're fairly simple to install, so let's get to work. Start off by, of course, removing the body, followed by the wheels and tires. Once you've done that, we need to remove the lower link screws securing the links to the axles. Do so by using a 2mm hex driver and a pair of long nose pliers to secure the nut. Once you remove the link screws, pull the link back, and now you can access the screws that hold the mount to the axle. Remove the 2 screws from each mount. Once you remove all the screws from the mounts, you'll notice they'll all come right off with the exception of the panhard bar mount. You'll need to remove the ball end with a 2.5mm hex driver. And now we can install our new aluminum link mounts. Start by screwing the ball stud in for the panhard bar, followed by bolting the link mounts back onto the axles using the factory hardware. Make sure the link mounts face the proper direction and snug the screws down. Once your mounts are secured, you could reinstall your links and factory hardware. Tighten the hardware snug, reinstall your wheels, and you're ready to go. Links to the products used today can be found in the description below. While you're there, please hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you back here next week for another Redcat Racing video.